guys, so I received my order from Oakcha fragrances. This is a dupe company for fragrances, and I ordered 3. So I ordered 3 different scents. And everybody's been raving about this Oakcha, so I decided to give it a try. I also got this. As you can see here, I got 2 boxes that were the I think 1 ounce, and this was a little bigger size. This one is like a little sampler. I wish they had more. I would have bought another one because this was like 15 bucks. These were like 39, and I think this one was like 59. 39 and 59. So the, I just unboxed them, but I haven't sampled them. So I'm pretty excited and I want to try to, so I got the ORPHIC. The Torrid Day. And the SWEVEN. SWEVEN is the one in the big bottle. And then these are like samples of various fragrances that I'm not sure which ones they are, but I can't wait to do a review for you guys on these. I'm gonna spray them and see how they do. But yeah, so the boxes are cool and everything. They're nice. They're black and elegant and simple. They remind me of like a Japanese style, the black and the gold and the letters. So, they come in this pretty little bottle. It is pretty small, to be honest. This is a 1 ounce, but to me it's like a masculine bottle, and it's a matte bottle. Let me just clean it up here because it's like a matte bottle, no shine, plastic cap, and gold atomizer. So yeah, I can't wait to try them. So stay tuned for my next videos. I'll be sampling these for you. And a lot of you, if you already know that you've tried them, please leave your comments, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, like my videos. It's helping me build my channel.